ma munyina akwa babie ya se shi ade di kan me da munyina se supporter with my channel way and the more Abuja me comment nya me hira mo ankasa hey mo comment na she me nkura ma de bia me sori alam person be fi o ma mo nti no mo nkoso wa na wo comment bia na bibia me ya wani je ho no ma me hu ne e won so ya e bia kama mimi ni mo no o no abamode ana ma me hu na me so mesu so ati ase nti na de e juice a ise di betwa ya do so new we the fruit and veg enya do akota o shop wan kasa no waye nti ni ma me di be che obetumi yi efume e di bi ahye so a wa recipe na the recipe we dey akoyi nti ma me nchiro de mo a de me wa ha pears so eni me wo 4 ena wa ha woni pear obetumi so apple e be kama ena we ginger kakra bi eno ni to taste sanya wo pe no ena we say celery so kama all the can were nice ena we cucumbers and 2 large ones ena we may use lemon half pen am here ena we say mint leaf so the mint no sanya wo pen wo bia me dia me be use ni wo pen mo afeka wo pen mo ayi bi free enti ni o me nyina ni o enti no ane say wafa wo cucumber wa ho no atwa ne to no pe e free ho no now I the what you chum yeah baby blend it so oh juice and one is so they show juice not just one say the more high me ginger so no so what you try so yeah na fi lemon I say na mint so I fi me fa blender near the blender and say my family blender so and I make sure I will hear a strainer so I know why you went to miss one of my size, some person, and also be cool until me so chilled water. Now, dear, so say my blade in that tiny amount. And me were ice cubes and soak a crow has said, the no one is a was a or make shiny so I'll not dear good. Nti me maintenance na bia no squeeze or half a lemon ni na ku and the ice cubes are correct to me nyam we ni atia so so my blended the kind into a coffee to me inside the aka na gu so prep na kese ye and they say me make sure ni na fe wa hwie gu strain na ni and they say wa would you see na mechi mu yo wa hu fiber ya ake when so I come and say for another recipe come ye ntu bibi engo ja I have your mint into me dey see na fe normally bi wo ha me mfa hwe nka ho but me dey half a teaspoon of sugar egum so a man eno so ye come into na no dey optional opa fe ka ho opa ye free ba ne o ma aka ne dey ohia wo na fe aka ne she said your juice yeah into me she na chile na fear to us and she said your juice yeah hey there you went over life na wa pe lemon yeah to ice cubes in the way now when me pen say a chile no one no who the go ice cubes into our money as of no because we say any too sweet Uber said, dear, you are do wait with the honey account, and I said, sugar, send them kind to taste 7 as we ship you. I said your juice, I come on to make our hammer. It's so refreshing. When you're somewhere, baby. Now, see, gardening, Mubana. When I'm a trick, I can't come. I do ginger, no. Would take ginger, ne kakra, mint, ne kakra, cucumber, ne kakra, and no pear, no. A so nice into where they're bomb, and so better. Where they're foot to have the diet, because we got 3 juice here. Ye the Easter, holidays here, baby. So they are coming near Mabu, Bomodia, sell by pet time. Now you see a phone and Colau fear, no up at time, Cacram as well. Now you we hear when I'm with Yabba. If it's a brabon sense, they say busy will be a conova. They'll see any time so much. I know I'm a DJ. Ain't it? So unsubscribe to this channel, but more than subscribe. You're handy here. We'll see a baby, I'm missing a simple recipe. Nya dia ede within your meja na show musu yema na die di so ba no so but more dia for notification bell ne to so never announce all the best. I love you all.